and turn on the water supply. And now it is the tap water flowing out directly. Now we switch to make the water going to the machine. Then when we can switch the water flow, the machine will start to work. The best water flow is about 2.0 liter per minute. Now we have different water levels for different requirements. For cooking,
alkaline water level 2.
for drinking,
Alkaline water level 1.
purified water,
Filtered water.
sanitizing.
Mildly acidic water. Unit is now.
We also have a cleaning system for the machine. Now, if you want to turn off the machine, you switch the water flow to 0 first, and then turn off the water supply and turn off